Hello techies, we are in lab 3.2.7 and we're going to install a switch. Alright, so you are a network technician for a small corporate network. Your manager has asked you to install a new switch and the networking closet. Once installed, connect additional devices using a Cat6a cable to test the connectivity. Add a new network switch near the top of the rack on the use Cat6a cables to make the following connections. Okay, and then these are the connection we are going to make. These are the connection, and we're going to ping the COP server IP address 192.168.0.10 from the lobby laptop to test connectivity. Alright, so this is lab 3.2.7 and we're going to start lab. And in case this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to be as fast as possible so that the video won't be unnecessarily too long. You can always pause the video and walk at your own pace. Alright, we are inside the lab and the first task is to add a new network switch near the top of the rack. So let's add a new network switch to the top of the rack. So we drag and drop this here and provide power to the switch. So let's plug in the power here. Let's see, the other end is going to go into this area. Yeah. Alright, so the next task is use Cat6a cables to make the following connections. Port 5 on the switch, IT admin port 5 on the patch panel. Okay, so let's go to the front and then our Ethernet cable is selected, so we'll plug in one end is going to come into port 5, one end is going to come into IT admin according to the instruction here. So port 8 on the switch to lobby, port 8 on the patch panel. Okay, so plug this to lobby and this is going to go into port 8 and port 24 on the switch and to the LAN 1 port on the router. So we get another Ethernet cable and we plug one end to this and the other end is going to come into let's see this port here. Let's see port 21 on the switch to the left and network port on COP server select. Okay, so we select another network cable and plug one end here and the other end is going to let's see the other end, let's go back, the other end is going to go into these ports. Yeah, okay, so this is plugged in, and in case this video appears to be too fast, you can always pause the video and repeat this step again. Okay, so let's see, I'll go into floor 1 overview and this is the lobby. So we are going to ping this and see. So we're going to the terminal and ping 192.168.0.10 and this is successful. So you can see that the ping here is successful. So if this video was helpful to you in any way, share in other platforms so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in the next video.